Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to NumPy Newcomers Design Jam session. Today we'll be doing some really fun interactive things and thinking about like open source in different ways. I will put the meeting agenda along with the link to the design board into the Zoom chat so that everyone could reference over there. And I will also start sharing my screen. Okay. All right, so you can see my screen here, but not my presenter notes.
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Start one more time. Hi, everyone. Thank you for coming. I am your host, Mars Lee. This jam is 30 minutes long and action-packed with interaction, so let's get started. First, a quick explanation of NumPy Newcomers Hour. It's a chance for those new to the NumPy space to meet the community and learn. And there are different levels of newcomers. And so you might fit in one of these profiles here, new, not so new, all are welcome here. The NumPy Newcomers Hour is also slightly different from the other community calls. They are great places to meet maintainers, triage for specific issues, but it's understandable if that's a little bit of an intimidating place to start. That's why we have newcomers. So what are we jamming on today? We are jamming to the prompt. What does the NumPy Newcomers journey look like to you? There will be 2 jams, and I'll share the link to the design jam board in the Zoom chat. And the design jam board looks like this. So I'll pause the recording for the jams and then show how we can get started. All right, we are at the end of the first jam session. Thank you so much for your participation. Our board looks lovely. You can see that there is some like discussion happening here and there. There's some discussion that are happening, like those green post-it notes seem like a continuation. So really great. I'm so happy that people were able to kind of, say how they feel here. So we'll start the second jam session soon, but first I wanted to zoom out. Wait, why are we jamming to this prompt? Questioning the question. That's because we are gathering feedback. When designing software and experiences, there is a process, a loop. Think of a problem, make a possible solution, gather feedback. It's, actually a whole thing, user experience. But we don't have to get into details of that right now. We are gathering feedback because we have problems. And the problem is that it's a fuzzy path for newcomers in NumPy. And that's because this path was organically formed, but it is shaped by assumptions. And so what we're doing here is checking and really asking, how do newcomers actually move? What is their journey like? And, this problem, the fuzzy pathway, leads to a bigger problem, which is a whole other thing of like technical debt, not enough maintainers, type of contributions. But again, we don't have to get into the details of that unless you want to talk about it after the design jam in the Hangout session. What we're doing is mapping out the NumPy newcomers journey with newcomers to actually get better and understand what they're thinking and what they're going through. Get good. And so let's start the second jam. The prompt this time is, what do you need or want to further your NumPy newcomers journey? I'll pause the recording for the jam. All right, thank you so much, everyone, for contributing to the second design jam. It looks wonderful. Again, I think we have a lot of great threads of discussion going on. So that is the end of the design jam. Thank you. These are the old boards, but I'll be updating them with the new ones soon. I think it's very exciting to have all these things out here, So we are now closing the NumPy Newcomers Hour. So what happens next? The NumPy community will read our design jam, consider the feedback and the implementation. Also, when you close this Zoom window, you will automatically get a survey page. So please fill that out. Just a few words like we did in the jam makes all the difference. There is also an optional Hangout session if you would like to ask more questions or introduce yourself. But you can also leave now if you like. So that's it. That's the end of the design jam. Thank you and goodbye.
You did a great